What's up and welcome back to Exploring the Outdoors. Got a quick little update. I decided to go ahead and try and make my channel more known, so if people see me out rolling around, because I really didn't have any markings on the truck or anything like that to help my channel grow. So I had some decals made, and I got 2 for the camper and 2 for the truck, and I'll show you those here in just a minute. But first I'm going to clean this window with some rubbing alcohol, make sure it's nice and clean. I'm going to put my little decals right here along this bottom portion of the window, because I also have next month I am supposed to go to Stellamar RV Resort in Galveston, Texas. They asked me to do a video on there to help them promote their place, and well, I wanted to go ahead and, since I'm gonna be towing the camper down there, I wanted to go ahead and put some decals on it and on the truck. So if you see me out on the road, wave. Be right back. All right, so I got my decal kind of positioned about center. I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's fairly, maybe a little bit more that way, but I'll adjust it and get it just right. But I want to go ahead and show you what it looked like. Let me pop this off of here. Here's the new decals. I'm gonna put 2 on the truck, 1 on each side on the back, and this window, and on. And of course, you already saw these decals that I put on, hopefully. These look pretty good, but they don't really tell you it's a YouTube channel or nothing, so I had the YouTube logo added. But I'm gonna put another one on this window. So it's on both sides, front and back. And hopefully we'll get our channel out there a little bit better and inspire some people to go outdoors. That's what it's all about. Let me get this thing adjusted. See if we can just vacuum peeling off of it. There we go. Hey, it looks pretty good. I like that design. Now to the other window. Alright, so I got the new decals on the camper. I'm going to do kind of the same thing to the truck, basically. Just clean it with some alcohol, line them up the way I want them with some tape, and then peel the backs and slide them on with a squeegee. If you haven't checked out my channel, it's all about the outdoor stuff. Going out camping, overlanding, fishing, everything